Hello, 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 hello. Am I audible? Please confirm. Am I audible? Hello, traders. All of you watching, please confirm. Am I audible? Hello, hello. Hello, traders. Welcome to our stream. Welcome all of you. So please confirm. My voice is audible. My voice is clear. Please confirm, traders. Hello, anyone? Please confirm so that we can continue. Let's go, traders. Please confirm fast. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, traders, I think I am audible. So let's start our analysis. So let other traders join. So who's watching, please comment. Am I audible? So let's start, traders. Already we are late. So let's start our analysis. Let's go, traders. Comment fast. Let's start our analysis. So today is Monday, Feb 23rd. Okay. And please let me know. Hello, Pravin. I was sick, Pravin. I was sick. I'm extremely sorry. Sorry for the inconvenience. So let's start. Let's start trading. Let's go, traders. Pravin, make sure you smash that like button. Let's go. And Pravin, please let me know. Am I audible? Is my voice loud and clear? Please let me know. From today continues consistent live streaming. Okay. So let's go, traders. So today is Feb 23rd. Okay. Monday. And let's see. So as you can see, traders, 6:30 p.m. we have FOMC member speech. Okay. Orange folder, medium impact news event. Okay. And 8:30. Okay. 8:30. As you can see, traders, we have factory orders. Okay. So you remember the recent crash. Okay, traders. So you remember the recent crash. So as you can see, 29th of Jan. Okay, 29th of Jan. So this was way higher than the forecast and the gold crashed. Okay, so today same way we have this news. Okay, factory orders, which is a very important news event. Okay, traders. So let's see. Now we are focusing on Monday only. Okay, that is today. Gold climbs above 5100. Okay, so as you can see, traders, so trade war fares. Okay, so obviously precious metal is safe haven. Okay, so that is why gold is super bullish. And also now let's check out our market structure. Okay, so make sure, traders, you smash that like button. Okay, so we need more viewers. Okay, traders, so those who are losing money, so our video must reach those traders. Okay, so let's see what do we have here. If there is any problem with my voice, okay, so please let me know. Okay, traders. US to make tariff decisions on solar panels from India. Okay, so tariff war is still going on. So you always stay active on this site. Okay, traders. So you always stay active with fundamentals. Okay, so fundamentals is very important. Okay, cool. So let's check out here. So fundamentals is very important. Okay, so Iran tension is ongoing. Okay, so US and Iran, so that's the geopolitical major news event as of now. Okay, all right, traders, as you can see over here, market drop after Trump hikes tariffs to 15%. Okay, so this is a very important key event, and as of now, as you can see, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, okay, overall neutral. All right, traders, so let's move on to our chart. So make sure, traders, you smash that like button. Let's go, traders. So now please let me know, so how many of you remember our previous analysis? How many of you remember our previous analysis? So that way I can start. Okay, or should I start with this drawing itself? Okay, so can I do it? Please comment, traders, please comment. Mr. Chow, first time joining. Okay, brother. Okay, no problem, no problem, brother. I'll cover it. Okay, I'll cover it with you. I mean from basic. Praveen, yes, please. Okay, okay. All right, brother. All right, no problem. Okay, so first I'll hide this. Okay, and then first I'll explain you, and then we will move on. So first of all, traders, this is a weekly time frame. Okay, so we will be starting from weekly, daily, and then 4 hourly, and then 15 minutes. Okay, so this is how you find market structure. Okay, traders, so now serious, very serious. Now this year is money earning opportunity. Okay, traders, this year is money earning opportunity. So all of us must make money this year. Okay, traders. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. So now what is our latest previous swing? Okay, so I already marked, but first I will explain you on this naked chart. Okay, so this is our previous latest swing. Okay, so latest previous swing. So as you can see, traders, I have already marked this like this. Okay, so this is our first swing. This is a swing in the weekly time frame. And what is the important point to notice in this weekly swing? Okay, so that is very important. I'll explain you over here. This is a second chart. Okay, traders. So now let's draw Fibonacci over here. So as you can see, traders, from here this trend started, and then it gave a beautiful retracement onto the optimal entry level. Okay, so for a swing, so this is the optimal entry level. Okay, 70 to 78%. So this is the optimal entry level. So as you can see, this was a beautiful retracement, and now the market is continuing upside direction. Okay, indicating that the market will make new all-time high, indicating that market is making new higher high. Okay, traders, understood? So market, what market does in a bullish structure? Okay, so higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so this is how market works. So currently on the weekly time frame, the structure is bullish. Okay, also we took that retracement. Okay, traders, and also this everything I've explained you in the previous week streaming. Okay, traders, so from today onwards we will continue our stream. Okay, traders, so make sure you smash that like button. Let's go, traders. All right, so now you understood, traders. So this is the swing, this is the pullback, and now market is continuing upside. Okay, because market wants to make higher high, but market could sometime rest here in this zone. Okay, because as you can see, traders, at the start at the very beginning of this 2026 this year. Okay, so I'll show you over here. I'll delete this. So you first understand the concept. Okay, traders. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll draw like this, so visually you don't get confused. Okay, so this is a very interesting stream. Okay, traders, you will not find anywhere on YouTube. Okay, so make sure you regularly watch our stream and start making money, traders. Okay, start building your future. Okay, traders, so visually you can see now this is our swing. Okay, so let's move on to daily, and over here, as you can see, traders, so this was the retracement in the weekly time frame. Okay, so in the daily also, as you can see, after this breakout, so first this was a resistance level. Okay, after this breakout, retest, boom, again market visited here, retest, and boom. So you need to find multiple confluences. Okay, traders, so you need to find multiple confluences. So more confluences you have, the more the right path. Okay, 50% work is done, so more confluences, you need more confluences. Okay, traders, so this is the weekly time frame swing that I was talking about. Okay, this is the weekly swing, and in the weekly swing, so we got a clue, and this thing I explained you in my previous week stream. Okay, traders, I explained you clearly that the weekly is bullish. Okay, because the market went up, took the retracement, and now the market is continuing. Okay, so there are some new viewers, that is why I am explaining it from the beginning. Hello Paul, hello brother, welcome to our stream. Make sure you smash that like button. Let's go. So Pearl, make sure you watch from the beginning. Okay, so now just now we have started. Okay, traders, so this is our swing. So in the daily time frame, as you can see, so this is our main chart. So in the daily time frame, okay, so what I'll be doing is a swing I'll be marking. Let me delete this line. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me delete this line. Okay, all right. Okay, so first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark our weekly swing. Okay, so I'll keep it 3 level, color blue. Okay, so this is our weekly swing. Okay, traders, so I'll delete this. So now we know the weekly swing. Okay, traders, so this is our weekly swing. Okay, so let's move on to daily. So let's speed it up. So here, as you can see, traders, I have already marked the daily swings. Okay, so now as you can see, this blue line is our weekly swing. Okay, so within that weekly swing we have 2 daily swings. Okay, so this was the break of structure. After this, again this was the break of structure. Okay, so this was the continuation. Okay, traders, so this is the second swing. So now this swing is not necessary as of now. Only this swing is necessary for us. Okay, traders, so in the daily swing, as you can see over here clearly, when I pull out the Fibonacci and like this, okay, so what you notice is after this after this bullish move, market retraced and market took demand from the lowest demand possible. Okay, available. So this was the lowest demand available. Okay, and also you can see below the optimal zone entry, inviting buyers. Okay, inviting a lot of buyers. Also this was a crash. Okay, so we all know. Sarfraz, hello brother, welcome to our stream. Very good evening, brother. I hope you're doing good. So let's focus, Sarfraz, and make sure you smash that like button. Let's go. Okay, traders, so as you can see, this was the swing. Okay, so after this swing, market took the retracement. Okay, market took the retracement and market is on its way to make new all-time high and also higher high. Okay, so if there is any problem with my voice, so immediately traders, immediately please let me know. Okay, because if there is any problem, so I have to I have to do it all over again and again. Okay traders, so we don't want to waste our time. Okay, so now it's already 6, so 1.5 hours to go US opening, so still we have a lot of time. Okay, all right, so also I want to give you guys update, so make sure you smash that like button. Let's go traders. The sound is very clear. Okay Praveen, thank you brother, thank you for confirming. All right Praveen, so are you understanding Praveen? So if you have any queries, please let me know. Okay, so I will explain you personally. Okay traders, so as you can see traders, this is the swing, this is the daily swing, and now we are operating in between this swing. Okay, but what we can see is, okay, so what we see is that is the technical. Okay, so what technical says, market created a new all-time high, market took the retracement, market didn't break this low. Okay, if the market is breaking this low, then after a retracement we'll be expecting another lower low. Okay, but in this case market didn't break this, market took the retracement from the lowest demand and market is now continuing towards upside direction. Okay, so as you can see, market was little sideways and now the market is continuing towards upside direction. Okay traders, so let me delete this fib. Okay, okay traders, so until here story is clear. Okay, so we have two swings in the daily and this is the weekly swing. Okay, so which I have drawn with the lines so we don't get confused. Okay, so this is the first swing and this is the second swing. Okay, first swing, this is the second swing. Okay traders, clear? So please also comment, okay, so that we have some conversation, so I understand that you are getting each and everything. Okay, all right, so now we will move on to our 4-hour time frame. Okay traders, so in the 4-hour time frame, again same scenario. Okay, so this is the weekly range and these are the two daily swings. Okay, very clear, these are the two daily swings. Got it? Nothing out of the box, very simple. Okay, so let's zoom in. Alright, so in my previous stream also I explained you each and everything and I did everything from the scratch. Okay traders, so if you watch my previous stream, so you'll find each and everything, okay, this previous analysis from the basic. Okay traders, so here you can see this is our daily swing, higher high, this made the higher high, price made higher high over here and this was the crash. Also this was the retracement in the daily time frame. Okay, in the daily time frame this was a retracement and also this retracement was aligned with the weekly time frame. All right traders, okay, so let's mark our higher high, lower low within this range. Okay, so in this daily range, so as you can see over here we have 1 2 3 4 swings. These are swings. Okay, so after this break of structure, market continued retracement. After this break of structure, market continued retracement. After this break of structure, market continued and suddenly this crash was there, this crash was there and again we made lower low in the 4-hour time frame, because as you can see this is whole one swing. Okay, are you getting it traders? Are you getting it? Please let me know in the comment section, are you getting it? So this whole swing is the 4-hour swing. Okay, so here market was making, okay, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Suddenly what happened? after this higher high printed, what we were expecting? So we were expecting a retracement again. Okay, but that was not the scenario. So what happened? Market suddenly break two structures. Okay, two structures. So one structure, two structures. So two structures already broken. Okay, but I already explained to traders in the weekly and the daily time frame, things are different. Okay, so here as you can see, I don't want to confuse you, that is why I'm using a different chart for this. Okay, for this explanation. So as you can see traders, I already explained you, this is the daily retracement and the market is moving upside again. Okay, so here as you can see the weekly, so weekly also same thing. After this retracement, this is a perfect entry. Also as you can see, this area is after this breakout. Okay, this was first a resistance. After this breakout, this turned into support, and one time as you can see, market took the support. So there was an extra confluence and market worked very sharp and quick. Okay, so market recovered pretty quickly. Okay traders. All right, so here as you can see now, so now can we move on to 15 minutes? Everything is clear, so please let me know in the comment section everything is clear. Hello brother, hello Namzi, I'm doing pretty good, so I hope you're doing wonderful brother. Thank you for joining us brother. So make sure you smash that like button. Let's go traders. Let's go traders, let's go. So from today onwards, regular streaming. Okay, so also I want to give you one update, so make sure you join our stream on a regular basis. A lot of updates. Okay, so can we start with 15 minutes? Let's go traders. Namzi, we are working with market structure. We are not learning anything. We are working with market structure. Now from today onwards, we will start earning profits. Okay, and learning will be with earning. So that will be, don't worry, that will be included. Okay, so our first priority is earning. Okay traders, so now our first priority, so this year, so traders, trust me traders, I promise you this year is earning opportunity. Okay, so 2026 is a beautiful opportunity for us. Okay, so because as you can see, crypto markets are down. Okay, so let's have a look at the crypto markets. So I'll explain you over here. Let's use a crypto.com BTC chart. Let me delete this. So on the monthly time frame, as you can see traders. Okay, so this is the chart. All right traders, so this is the chart. So as you can see traders, from here, this was the 1 2, this was the third attempt passed, and after some retracement, this was the fourth attempt passed, continuation, and now we are coming little bit downtrend. Okay, but that does not mean that this is the end. Okay, so this is the opportunity, for investing. Okay traders. Yes brother Namzi, from today onwards regularly bro, promise bro, promise. Extremely sorry for the inconvenience brother. So from today onwards, regular, and I'm trying to cover London session also brother. Okay, so now I'll be doing live stream as much as long possible. Okay, long time frame. Okay traders, so as you can see traders, now market is forming a beautiful support. Okay, so if we can draw like this, so I hope you can understand. Okay, so as you can see traders, this is the monthly time frame. Okay, so this is the monthly time frame. That sounds great. Yes brother, yes. So as you can see traders, this is a simple demand zone. Okay, so even a noob will start investing in this zone. Okay, so as you can see traders, and so you don't need to buy crypto all at once. Okay traders, so what you can do is you can use DCA. Okay, you can use DCA. This is dollar cost index. Okay traders, so you can use DCA and you can start investing minimum $1, $2 on a regular basis. Okay, so you can also fix your timings, like you want to invest $1 in BTC at 12 p.m. exact. Okay, so 6 p.m., 6 a.m., 3 a.m. So like that you can set. You can use any exchange. Okay, so now it's time to invest in crypto. It's not trading time. Okay, so where you can trade in gold. So as you can see, traders, gold is giving opportunity on a regular basis. So even if you're trading with 0.01, okay, 0.01, I promise you are making a lot of money. Okay, you're earning a lot of profits. Dollar cost averaging, yes brother, yes. Sorry. I said dollar cost index. I'm extremely sorry. So that's dollar cost averaging actually. Okay, so I'll write it down over here. So that's DCA, dollar cost averaging. Okay, or average, dollar cost average. Okay, so you can start investing. And we all know, traders, crypto is the future. Okay, so crypto is the upcoming future. So as you can see, traders, so how it started and how it's going. Okay, so maybe even we come down towards these demands. Okay, but if you are doing DCA, so it will not hurt your account. Okay, so you can buy more. So you can buy more and more. Okay, traders, so this is opportunity, so once in a lifetime. And again traders, when we will be breaking this, so price is unlimited. Price has unlimited potential, and our risk is limited. Okay traders, our risk is limited, and the price potential is unlimited, traders. Okay, so make sure you traders, you don't miss this, traders. And let me tell you, once we break past this level, then we don't know if the market hits 200k, 300k, okay, 500k. So we don't know, traders. So basically, according to me, so now this area, okay, so this whole, so this is the whole demand. Okay, so as you can see, from here until here, so this is the whole demand we're working in. So these are the extreme zones, okay, for beautiful buy entries. So these are the extreme zones. And also you can start to invest a little bit by little bit. Okay, I mean $1, $2, $3, $5 daily basis. And those income is more, so they can start investing $10 daily. Okay, $50 daily, $100 daily. So that way you need to invest little bit by little bit. Okay, so you don't buy at one place. I mean, like, you buy all, you have 100k and you bought BTC at this level, so don't do that. Okay, so market will be hovering around in this region, okay, for some time. So as you can see, traders, 224, I mean 2024. Okay, so from 2024 onwards, full bullish cycle is over. Okay, so as you can see, 2024, 2025. So let me show you clearly. Okay, so this was the swing. So as you can see, traders, from here itself, it actually started from 2023. Okay, 2023 until 2025. Okay, so it lasted 2 years. Okay, traders, so now there will be little bit of sideways market and all. So market will be hunting. And then once traders, once, believe me, this, if this is, this high is taken out and we are making all-time highs, so market has a lot of potential, traders. Okay, so you can invest this for the long time. So what I wanted to explain you is, you earn money from gold. Okay, so you watch my stream regularly, you earn money from gold, and then you shift that dollar into your exchange account, and then you buy BTC over there. Okay, so I will explain you with BTC what you need to buy, each and everything. So make sure you join our Telegram channel, link is in the description. All right, traders, so let's not waste our time and let's get started with 15 minutes. Okay. So now you understood, traders, this is the daily swing, and within that daily swing we have four higher high, bullish swings, okay, which made this daily one swing, one single swing, okay. And in the 4 hours time frame, as you can see, the market crashed, so two swings broken, okay. So 4 hours market was bearish as per the market structure, okay. In my previous swing I explained you each and everything, but also I explained you the weekly and the daily scenario, okay. So that is why, as you can see, you can save yourself from that trap, okay. All right, so what market was doing? So market was following this 60% magic level, 61% magic level. So as you can see over here, so this is the magic level, okay. So market respected twice, okay, once, twice. So market respected that level twice. If the market wanted to continue, okay, so after this market would have continued like this, making a new lower low, okay, traders. So market didn't continued lower low because weekly and daily swings were different, okay, traders. So now you know each and everything. What's the scenario in 4 hour. So let's move on to 15 minutes. Okay, so understand carefully, traders. So this was the 4 hour swing, okay. So within that 4 hour swing, so as you can see, we have 15 minutes swings, okay. So 1 2 3 4 5, okay. So we have 5 swings in that 4 hour swing. So just a moment, traders, let me drink water. Thank you God, thank you God for the water. Thank you so much. Okay, traders, let's get started. So as you can see, traders, within this 4 hour range, so we have 1 2 3 4 5, okay. We have 5 swing structures. So if you know market structure, then 50% of the job is done, okay, traders. All right, so then as you can see, traders, from here market gave us the change of character over here, okay. Continuation, and then again we got a change of character here, okay. Continuation, and then again we got a change of character here, okay. So I'm just explaining you the past price action, okay. So here we got the break of structure, okay, and the change of character. So as you can see, continuation, again continuation, breaking this, okay. So price action was still confusing, so here only 90% of the traders fail, okay. So in the 15 minutes, so as you can see, so this was the break of structure and change of character, okay. In my previous stream I explained you, okay, traders, I explained you each and everything. So there's the video proof, so you can go and rewatch it, okay. Okay, so we were stuck in this range, okay. So somewhere around here I was live streaming, okay, traders. So you can watch that video, okay. So after this break of structure, okay, so we got a break of structure here, and in this 5 minutes time frame, you can check the video. Seriously, I told you traders in the 5 minutes time frame. So 15 minutes was also a bullish trend. Sorry, bearish trend. I'm extremely sorry. 15 minutes was also bearish trend, lower low. Okay, I already told you in the 5 minutes, as you can see traders, we got a change of character. Okay, and also our higher time frames are super bullish. Okay, so same way market, as you can see, after breaking this, okay, so this is how market moved. And first thing you can see over here is this swing. Okay, this swing break past this level also. Okay, so both the swings are done now. Okay, so lower now bearish chances is very less. Okay traders, so now what's happening in the 15 minutes? Let's mark fresh level. So as you can see traders, this was the breakout. Okay, and this was the highest point that gave this breakout. Okay, so that's the swing. All right, so as you can see traders, now this swing was broken here. Okay, so where is the lowest point? So this is the lowest point. Okay, we can consider this. We can consider this as the lowest point or this. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's just a few pips. Okay, so we are considering this. So this is our latest swing. Okay. I know this is out of topic. I'm sorry, but I want to know how to withdraw money without paying too much tax in India. If there is a way, could you please teach us how to do it after the analysis is done? No, bro. No, bro. You have to follow the rule and you have to pay the taxes, bro. You cannot, compromise on paying taxes, bro. Because if everybody thinks like this, then our economy will be down, brother. So think of our community, think of our Indian people. Okay, so whichever nation you belong, you work for your nation, bro. You die for your nation, you live for your nation. Okay, so don't think like that, brother. Okay, so you pay your taxes. Maybe CA will help you lower your taxes. Okay, so he can help you save the taxes, but please, brother, please don't think like this. Okay. All right traders, so this is our 15-minute swing. Okay, so this is our latest swing that we are following now. Okay, and already we saw that market is now not respecting the 60% level of this sell range. Okay, of this sell range. So as you can see, this is the sell range which break past two structures. Okay, so now in the 4 hour, this is a 4 hour. Now if you see like this, so overall you don't think that the market is down. So this is a confluence. This is something that gives us an extra confluence that yeah, market is bearish in the 4 hour time frame. No bro, no problem bro, no problem. No problem brother, no problem. It's absolutely fine brother. I also sometimes thought of tax evading. That's absolutely okay, bro. Everyone thinks of it, okay? So you're not the only one, brother. We are all same, bro. So obviously we have to pay the taxes, brother. So you can lower your taxes. You can save some of your money. I mean, you can save a lot of money. So in that way, I can help you, brother. Someday I'll help you. Okay, so you don't worry, bro. You now just focus on earning, brother. You just focus on earning. Okay, you just focus on your profits. Earn big profits. So this is our year. Okay, so last year also we missed, so but this year we're not gonna miss. Okay, Mr. Chow, you're absolutely fine, brother, no problem. Okay, so what was our topic? Okay, so this 4 hour time frame, as you can see traders, I already shown you that the 60% level is now, I mean, it's not holding the price now. Okay, so now it's not holding the price. So let's check once again. Where's the actual price? So as you can see traders, this is the 60% level, okay, that the market was respecting, because you see this was a very aggressive move. Okay, so people were afraid to buy in this range. Okay, because this is the swing, so actual discount level is below this. Okay, so this is the discount level, this is the premium level. So people were really hesitant to buy in this range. Okay, because this was the mid range. So people were really hesitant, they don't want to buy on this higher price, this much high price. So we all need discount. So market was always looking for the discount. Okay, but market failed to break this. Got it traders? Market failed to break this. Market, what market does is, this was the, let's say this was lower low, and this there must be a lower low. Okay, for this confirmation, there must be a lower low, but that didn't happen. Okay, so last stream also I told you, so last stream also I explained you each and everything. But let's go traders. So sorry, it was my mistake, so sorry for the inconvenience caused by me. Okay, so now from today onwards we will be updated full time. I promise you traders, full time updates. Let's go traders, let's go, let's hit 20 likes. Let's go traders. And who's watching, please let me know in the comment section. Any new viewers, you don't understand anything, feel free to ask. Okay, if you don't understand anything, please feel free to ask. Okay, Mr. Chow, you don't understand anything analysis, please let me know. I'm sorry for disturbing you again, but my taxes go to government, luxury stuff, and their children Lamborghini when they should be going to. Yeah, brother, I totally agree with you, bro. My thinking was also the same. But what we can do, brother, we cannot do anything. As as a single entity, we cannot do anything, bro. We need to be we need to rise with a group, organization. Okay, so big number of people. We alone, we cannot do anything, bro. I know, bro. I know what you're thinking, and that's my exact thinking. But we are bound to pay taxes, bro. So 10, 12 years, that's a minimum imprisonment. Okay, imprisonment 10 to 15 years, 10 years, 12 years. So if we don't have that kind of wealth, so we are in for minimum 5 years, bro. So that is way too risky, bro. So that is why we have to follow, and that is why a lot of influencers, they are going Dubai, and they are going to Australia, like that. We should form our own political party, or maybe make a lot of Jew friend brothers. Correct me if I'm wrong, brother. No, bro, no. First we will earn money, bro. First we will earn money. Okay, so we will when we build our community, bro, then only we will discuss these things. Okay, so first we help our family. First we give our family, we provide our family the best we can as a men. Okay, so as a men, we have some responsibilities. Okay, so now I'm sure you must be a man. Until now you're not a boy now. Okay, so if you're a man, so you need to provide the best luxury you can for your family. Okay, so help your mom, help your dad. Okay, so that way first we have so many things to do, and then definitely we will be fighting for this, brother. Okay, so now focus on earning, brother. Okay, so let's start. So all right, so 4 hours also I shown you. Okay, Twitter. So now market is not respecting this 60%. So anytime we know that the market will break this. Okay, and that is pretty obvious. If the market breaks this all-time high, this is the weekly also. Okay, so this is the 4 hourly also. This is the weekly also. If market breaks this, then market has unlimited potential until 6,000 minimum. Okay, market has potential until 6,000. And also US Iran tensions are going on, so that is why focusing on fundamentals is very important. Yes, brother, thank you so much. Thanks for understanding, bro. We'll definitely talk about this, okay? Later on, we will definitely discuss regarding the same. Okay, traders, so this is done. So let's move on to 15 minutes. And currently what is our swing? So this is all internal, okay? So don't focus on these structures, okay? So don't focus on this structure. This is all internal. Okay, so these are the main structures, okay? So this was the main structure that gave us a change of character, okay? After this retracement, so as you can see, so retracement must also align with your markings, okay? So as you can see, traders, this was the retracement pinpoint optimal entry, okay, and a continuation, okay, continuation breaking this low, creating a new lower low, okay. So now basically what price must be doing in this swing like this, what are we expecting? Oops, okay. So what are we expecting? What are our expectations? Okay. So as you can see, we are expecting market will reject from one of the supplies or in confluence with one of the fib levels. Okay. So that's our expectations. So as you can see, traders, after making this, after printing this lower low, so market first rejected from 50%. Okay. 50%, inviting the sellers thinking that the market will break below. Okay, so after some rejection, market continued. Okay, market continued, and this was the last 5-minute swing that I draw. Okay, I have drawn earlier. So let me delete this Fibonacci. Okay, traders, so this was the last swing. So as you can see, this was the last swing. Okay, so this was the swing. Okay, so this is internal 5 minutes. Okay, so for early change of character, I'm marking 5 minutes internal structure. Okay, so as you can see, traders, we were expecting from this swing that the market will come down, but what happened? Market first respected this sellers. Okay, also I have shown you that there was a 50% level, okay, of this swing. So market first respected, and then suddenly market break past this level. So selling plan is cancelled in this range. Okay, selling plan is cancelled. So now what you can do is you can plan your trade in the opposite direction, targeting this high first. Okay, targeting this high. So whatever trades after this breakout you'll be doing, you'll be only involving in buy side. So this is what happens when you when you're expert in market structure. So market structure is all you need. Okay, so now what is necessary over here? So as you can see, traders, this was the breakout. This was the breakout. Okay, and this was the lowest point that gave this breakout. So as you can see, traders, this is only one candle, but the movement is pretty big. Okay, so if I count this, so as you can see, traders, this is 700 pips. Okay, so this is this must be taken into consideration. Okay, traders, this is 700 pips retracement. So we cannot we cannot miss it. So this is our higher high. Okay, so after this higher high, this was the swing and this was the continuation. Okay, so this will be our next 5-minute swing. Okay, so let me mark, I'll clone this. Okay, Twitter, so this is my continuation. This is my continuation. Okay, so this was the lowest swing which gave me a break of structure. Okay, this is internal. Okay traders, this is internal. So now what are we expecting? Now we got let me write it down over here. Okay, so now we also need to do our supply demand and liquidity analysis. Okay, so let's be quick. It's 6:35, so 1.5 hour to go for US opening. Now we should look for sell. Wait bro, I'll explain you. We are coming there. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so you understand all the structure, what's happening. Okay, so let me write it down over here so you don't get confused. 20, all right. All right traders, let's go traders, let's complete 20 likes. Let's go traders, let's go. Let's complete 20 likes minimum. So weekly is bullish. Okay, daily is bullish. So I have already shown you traders. Okay, so as you can see, I have already shown you after this higher high retracement, and the market is continuing slowly upside. Okay, same way if you see the daily. So I shown you this is one swing, this is the second swing. Okay, so from the second swing, as you can see, after this higher high, market took the lowest demand possible, and the market is continuing slowly upside. Okay traders, so this is the scenario, and 4 hour time frame still bearish. Okay, 4 hour time frame is still bearish, and 15 minutes gave us a bullish chalk change of character. Okay, so that's just a fancy name, chalk. That's just simple CHOCH, change of character. Okay, so here I'll show you. So as you can see traders, this was the lower low, this was the break of structure. Okay, so after this retracement, this was another break of structure. So again we were expecting the same, but in the 5 minutes time frame we recognized early change of character, and we were able to identify this. Okay, in my previous stream I have, just a moment traders, I'll have some water. Hello, yes. Okay traders, so okay, what was I explaining? Okay, so as you can see, this was the swing. So suddenly what happened? We break past this level. Okay, so we break past this level, and as you can see, who was responsible for this breakout? So this was the buyer. Okay, this was the breakout level, and then as you can see, the lowest price area is this one. Okay, this one or this one, but it's okay traders. Okay, it's just a few pips. Okay, it's absolutely fine. So as of now, this all-time high is made. Okay, so now what are we expecting? So let's mark our expectations first. Okay, so let's go traders, let's go. So let's complete 20 likes. Let's go traders, show some love. Let's go. All our streams is free. Okay, so no VIP, no paid mentorship, nothing. Everything is for free. So spread some love. Let's go. Okay traders, so as you can see, this is our swing, 15-minute swing. Okay, so internal, you don't focus on this internal stuff. Okay, so just focus on this whole 15-minute swing. So we are looking for a retracement. Okay, so we are looking for a retracement below and then a continuation. All right, so now first let me mark the levels over here. So this is the 50% level. Okay, so we'll mark this 50%, and this is one level, and this is the optimal level. Okay, I'll keep it in between 70%. Okay, let's keep it like this. Okay, traders, so this is the range we are expecting. We are expecting market to fall. Okay, we are expecting the market to fall and then continue making new high. Okay, so now I'll delete this fib. Okay, so now what we can do is we have this swing for today's analysis. Okay, this is our swing. So we need to find a bullish entry from this swing. Okay, so we need to find a bullish entry from this swing. So we can go to 1 hour. Okay, so if you find any demand over here, if you find any demand like this, okay, so you can find that out, and you can also work on 4 hour. Okay, that way. So this is your swing. Okay, so this is your 15-minute swing now. Okay, so let's now move on to our supply demand, and let's mark out our liquidity levels, which is very important. So that will give us extra hints. Okay, so Pearl, are you watching? Who's watching? Namzi, are you watching? Please let me know in the comment section. New viewers, let's go traders. Let's smash that like button. Let's go. So help me reach 20 likes. So who all are watching? Please let me know in the comment section. Voice is clear. Please let me know. And also we have a probability that this is 5-minute swing. Okay, so sometimes what happens due to pressure, market can take any demand or any swing fib levels from this swing. Okay, so when the market is in pressure, or else the market will use demand from this level. Okay, this 15-minute swing. Got it? So this is the 50%, 60% level, and this is the 70%, 80% level. So these are the two levels that we are expecting that the market will fall. Okay, traders. So new viewers, make sure you smash that like button. Okay. So let's go, traders. Now let's start little bit supply demand. So let's see what we can find. So monthly candle, as you can see, traders, only 4 days left. Okay, only 4 days left, and as you can see, this monthly candle, as you can see from below, super bullish pressure. Okay, super bullish pressure, and now as you can see, we have this high. So this high is very important, traders. So now we know this high is you know, will not be stay active for a long period of time. So this high, so we'll mark this as liquidity for selling. Okay, which is a very important liquidity. Okay, so we want price to break past this level. Okay, so obviously, as you can see, this is a green level and huge wick. So first this candle for candle open here. Okay, so this is the opening range, and then the market created this low, and now the market is creating a new high, recovering everything. Okay, so this month, I mean this Feb month, this Feb month was a roller coaster ride. Okay, so this is a main liquidity for us. I hope you're getting it. So weekly time frame, as you can see, today higher high is the main liquidity. So anytime soon we are hoping to break this, but after a retracement. Okay, so this is where the players will be trapped. Let's go, traders. Let's go, smash that like button. Let's go. So in the daily time frame, as you can see, what's happening. Okay, nothing else traders. So this was the range. After the recovery and the retracement, we are moving slowly towards upside direction. Okay, this is what's happening. And okay, so let's continue. And sell side, as you can see traders, sell side market was not interested today. Okay, so here as you can see traders, a small wick. Okay, small wick, very small wick, indicating that the market was not interested in making lower lows. Okay, so today overall market is bullish, and as we saw the monthly candle, only 4 days to go, so we are bullish today. Okay, so this week we are bullish, but according to market conditions, but today we are bullish. But what is the scenario? But what is the scenario? The scenario is we are looking for a retracement. We are looking for a a discounted price. We are looking for a discounted price because this is the range, bro. So now I'll explain you very simply. Okay, so there are some prices, bro. There are some prices, like let me draw simple like this. Oops. Okay, bro. So just imagine this is the range. Okay, this is the range. So this is today's range. Okay. So why would you be interested to buy on this top? Okay. So this will not be a profitable idea. Okay, this will not be a profitable idea to execute. Hello, Paul. Thank you for confirming, brother. So this will never be a profitable idea, executing our buy position on such a premium zone. So premium zones are for selling. Okay, so with our market structure we were able to identify this higher high swing. Okay, inside this everything is internal, bro. If you try to mark all each and everything, so you cannot survive in the market. All right traders, so this is the thing. So I'll delete this fib. Okay. Okay, so now we are expecting a bearish retracement and then again a continuation. Okay, so again as you can see, this is the swing. So sometime what happens when there is a full bullish pressure, then maybe market retraces 50% this optimal entry zone here, and then market continues. Okay, so market won't be respecting this because market is super bullish, pressured, but we don't see any pressure. Okay, so we don't see any pressure, so the market will be creating more and more sellers. Okay, so now you see market continued from here until here. So what market does is invite sellers, continue, invite sellers, continue, invite sellers, continue. Okay, so sellers stop loss is very important. So sellers stop loss is very important. Please let me drink water, traders, just a moment. If you use fixed range volume profile, there's around price, 5151 fixed volume range. Let me see. You're talking about this swing or 15-minute swing? Please, you're talking about this swing or you're talking about this 15-minute swing? What up? Okay, so these are the two swings. So 15-minute swing is indicating bullish pressure. Just a moment traders, let me drink water. Hello. H1 no, bro. We are following 4 hours and 15 minutes. H1 we are not following. Okay, so according to our analysis, demand is in this range, and for this 5 minute swing, demand is in this range. Okay, so that's the scene, that's the scenario. Okay, and I'll delete this range profile. Okay, traders, so let's mark the liquidity levels. Okay, so this is the first liquidity level marked, and let's move on to 15 minutes, and here we will complete our markings. Hello and welcome, traders. Let's go. New viewers, hello and welcome. I hope all of you are doing good. So make sure you smash that like button. Let's go, traders. So we complete at least 20 likes. Let's go, traders. Only 7 likes to go. Let's go, traders. Let's complete 7 likes. Okay, so this is a main liquidity level that was created today itself. All right, so now let's clarify this market. Let's clarify this market. What's happening? Okay, so this is the Asian session. Okay, this is the Asian session, and this is the London session. London. All right, so now 5:30 pre-US session opening exactly here. Okay, so this is the pre-US session. Okay, so US session will be opened within 40 minutes. So this is the London and this is the US. Okay, so the major liquidity is above here. This one, sell side liquidity, sellers. Okay, so where are the sellers? So these is the range. Okay, so this is the range. And now where's the buy side? Where are the buyers? Okay, so I have always explained you, traders. Okay, so once again I'll explain you. So when there are buyers, okay, so there they have stop losses here. Okay, so they have stop losses here. Some have the trailing stop losses here. Okay, some have the trailing stop losses here. So their stop loss helps sellers. Okay, because when you buy gold, so when you book your profits, so your order will be sell. Okay, so all these stop losses will be helping you. Okay, so these all stop losses will be helping you, will be helping sellers, will be helping sellers. Okay, so basically when you say buy, okay, when you say buy, so there is sell side liquidity. Okay, so when you say sell, so there is buy side liquidity. Okay, so don't get confused. All right, so as you can see now here there are buyers, so their stop loss is helpful for sellers. So this will be sell side liquidity, but there are a lot of beginners watching, so they don't I don't want to make them confused, so that is why I say this buy side liquidity. Okay, so you must know each and everything. Okay, traders, so as you can see over here, we got liquidity over here, which is buy side liquidity. This is just a term using for beginners. Okay, all right, so rest, as you can see, we have a gap up over here. Okay, so this is also very important, so we have a gap in this range. Okay, so today as you can see market was super bullish and market created a gap. Okay, so we have this gap, we have this buyers liquidity. Okay, and so rest, as you can see, traders, we have a lot of sellers here. Okay, so we have a lot of sellers here. So basically we have a lot of buyers here. I'm extremely sorry. We have a lot of buyers here. So we exactly don't know where are the buyers involved. Okay, so as of now we will be focusing this. Okay, so we are focusing on this liquidity. Okay, so this liquidity means this is from the London session. So let's check out over here. All right, traders, so we are talking about this liquidity. We're talking about this liquidity. Okay, so if that's the case, then the market could be following this levels. Okay, but I don't recommend working on this levels. Okay, so maybe after hitting this, market comes down, and maybe from the 50%, 60% or the optimal entry, we take that bullish move. No bro, but I'm not interested in this level. Okay, so this is not a powerful level. So our main level is Fibonacci from the 15 minutes. Okay, so we are expecting price here. So market can trap early buyers. Okay, early buyers, impatience buyers, market can trap them. Let's go traders, let's go. So make sure you smash that like button. Let's go traders, we need to complete 20 likes. Let's go bro. And already I told you traders, already I told you we are going to retrace. Okay, and also as you can see, there's the markings, each and everything. So we are now in a retracement. We are not in a bearish move, we are not in a bearish market conditions. Okay, so market is now retracing. So on my channel you will get each and everything related with market structure accurate. Okay, so you can check other stream also, so you will not find deep analysis like I provide you. Okay, so now what you do is traders, you deposit money into your trading account and you start trading with me. Okay, also I'll be giving you some secret entry strategies. Okay, where you can 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x, 200x your account. Okay traders, so this is not a joke. So only serious investors join with us. Okay, so join our Telegram channel, and if you want to be successful in trading, so this is the end. So you don't search anywhere else. Okay, so you just join and you take action. You take action brother. If you don't take action, so you'll be never able to be successful. Okay, so you take action bro. All right, so we are expecting a fall, a retracement. Okay, so this is the liquidity, and below, as you can see traders, this is the main liquidity. Okay, so this is the main liquidity pool below. So let's mark that as well. So as you can see traders, this is the main liquidity pool below. I'll copy this. Okay, so this is the main liquidity pool below, because you see this whole area itself is a demand. You see this big red candle. Okay, so after the breakout, why we started a bullish momentum from here, why we continued from here, because there is a lot of demand available. Okay, so as you can see, boom. So this indicates this whole level is the demand area. Okay, so when the market will reach here, price will try to push. Okay, so again I told you traders, so you need to follow the market structure. Okay, so as you can see, so that's the low we are talking about. That's the low. Okay, so maybe market liquidates this. Okay, so this is two charts, so you just understand 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, so this is also 15 minutes, this is also 15 minutes. Okay, and this is the liquidity that I have marked, red one, green one, sorry, this one. Okay, so as you can see, this is the liquidity, so don't get confused. Okay, so this is the only level. So how I am able to find these levels? With market structure. Okay, so we are we got the exact buyers optimal entry zone. Okay, so this itself is a pull. Okay, this optimal entry zone itself is a pull, whole stop losses. Okay, so when I show you over here, I'll mark like this. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so we got 2 stop losses. Okay, traders, and as you can see, 1, 2, and some stop losses here. Okay, so this whole region is a demand region. Okay, this whole region is a demand region, and there are a lot of buyers involved in this region. Okay, so there are a lot of buyers involved in this region. If the market wants to continue, this is the swing. Okay, so clearly this is the swing. So market first needs sellers. Okay, so the market now will be creating sellers, trapping some buyers again. So market does that both side. Okay, so if the market is creating sellers, so obviously market will be trapping buyers. Okay, trapping buyers, market will be creating sellers now. So that's the most probable scenario. Okay, so we are looking selling until minimum this level, 50% level. Okay, so if we are holding this liquidity, then after this touch, I'm expecting bullish move. If the market decides to dive in deep, then these are the stop losses available. Okay, so maybe we come below and we hunt all the stop losses, including this. Okay, this everything, and then hunting hitting our 78% area optimal price entry zone, and then market can continue. Okay, so that's the scenario. Market is super bullish now. So weekly, daily, 15 minutes bullish. Okay, so only 4 hour is bearish. So soon that 4 hour swing will be broken, because that's the only all-time high we got. Okay, any doubts, any queries, please let me know in the comment section. Let's go, traders, let's go. And I hope I am able to help you. Okay, I'll be grateful if I am able to help you. Okay, and I'll be doing this on a regular basis. Okay, traders, so you make use of it, you align it with your analysis, and you start printing dollars. Okay, so don't be greedy, and start making money, bro. Okay, so let's go now. One important thing, okay, so that I want to implement. One very important thing I want to implement. Okay, so please make sure you listen this carefully. Okay, traders, so now just imagine this is a stream. Okay, so let me draw like this. Okay, this is live stream going on. Okay, over here. Okay, traders, this is a live stream. So what I'll be doing is, so let me live stream. Okay, this is our live stream. Okay, traders, so this is our live stream, and now what I'll be doing is, so I'll be starting my stream from the Asian session or the London session itself. Okay, Asian or London. Okay, so I'll be starting the stream. Okay, and in my Telegram channel, so I will update you. So this stream, basically I want to keep it like 12 hours, 15 hours live from the Asian session itself. Okay, so I'm planning to do that. So from the Asian session itself, stream will be live. Okay, so you can see like this. So suppose this is the marking, just for example purpose. Okay, so this is our marking. So streaming will be live like this. Okay, so my analysis and everything I have already updated. So now if I suppose I want to update something, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna message on Telegram so that I'm coming live. Okay, so I'm coming live. So immediately when I'm live, so you can join me, and I can connect with you quick, really quick. So there will be no delay. Okay, so there will be no delay in between us. Okay, so this is my plan. So if you like this, and if you want me to implement this, so please let me know in the comment section. And also make sure you smash that like button. Let's go traders, let's complete 20 likes. Okay, so streaming will be from the Asian session or the London session. Okay, so whenever I'll be coming live, I'll drop a message, I'll drop an update on Telegram, and immediately I'll be live. Okay, so we don't have any delays, we don't have any late entries. So immediately you have your chart, I have my chart. So whenever I'm alive, whenever I'm live, sorry, whenever I'm live, I'll be coming live. So I'll drop a message, and then you can join me quick, very quick. So this way we don't miss any entries. Okay, brother, you got it. So this way we don't miss any entries, we don't miss anything. Okay, so streaming will be active. So this way I want to implement. Okay, so if today I'm getting enough support, so if today I'm getting more than 20 likes, so then only I'll be thinking of implementing it. Okay, so today and tomorrow we'll be doing a normal stream in the pre-US session, and from Wednesday onwards I'm planning to cover London session. Okay, step by step I'll cover Asian session. Okay, traders. Okay, so we are waiting for that retracement. Okay. Okay, traders, just allow me to use washroom. Just a moment, I'll be back. Okay, so don't go anywhere. I'll be back. Just a 5 minutes break. Okay. Don't go anywhere, traders. I'll explain you each and everything. So we'll find the pattern, what's happening over here. So each and everything we'll find, so we can find that perfect sell opportunity. Okay, so also we want to follow the fractals structure in this range, so that we can find out that accurate sell entry. Okay, traders, so just a moment, traders, I'll be back. Hello, hello traders, hello. Come on traders, smash that like button. Let's go traders. So you'll be getting streams from Asian London sessions. Let's go traders, smash 20 plus likes, okay? So market structure you will find, on YouTube, you'll not find anywhere, okay? So that is very difficult. So here you're getting each and everything. So make sure you smash that like button. Let's go. So what else we can see over here in this range? So this is the 5-minute swing, okay, which is the minimum. This is a 5-minute swing. And let's see if we have any lower time frame change of character. Let's see. So as you can see traders, this was the high, and again we started making lower low. So this was retracement. So we are sideways, okay, so we are sideways here. So as you can see, we have this swing. So sellers are involved here, okay, sellers are involved here from the Asian session. In the London session, so as you can see, there are buyers involved, okay, but overall first come first serve. So these sellers were first, so still we can assume that these sellers are still holding their positions, okay, I mean they're still profitable. Above this they're still profitable and they are holding their positions, okay, and as usual there are buyers everywhere, okay, because we are in an upswing as of now, okay. So we have created an all-time higher high, we created high, okay. So now after creating this high, what we are expecting a a retracement and then a continuation, okay traders. Let's go traders, comment your thoughts. What are you thinking? What's your bias on gold? Come on traders, don't be greedy, help our community. Let's go. So give some ideas. Come on traders, give me your bias, give me your thoughts on gold, anything that we are missing. Okay, so today, as you can see, traders, this news event is very important. That is factory orders. Okay, so factory orders is very important. So last time we saw a huge crash on the same day. Okay, so this was the news. So as you can see, this was 29th Jan. So we witnessed the biggest crash. Okay, this was the crash we never saw in the past 50 years, okay. So this was the biggest crash ever. So today also you can see the same news is there, okay. Today also same news is there, but we are not in a big bearish bias. We are not sitting on a bearish bias, we are sitting on a bullish bias, but after retracement we are looking for buys, okay. So basically what we are looking is, so basically we need a good price, we need a good price, okay. So now just imagine this is 0 and this is $100, okay. So you know that this product was sometimes $50, okay. So this product was sometimes $40, so this product was once $30, so this product was once $10, So you are not aiming for this $100. Once you buy on this $100, then you are buying on the highest price possible. Okay, so that is what makes you profitable. So premium and discount zones, you need to focus on everything. So if you are good with market structure, so then only you will be able to follow premium discount. Okay, so that is aligned within market structure. Okay, traders, so we are looking for a better price. Okay, so we are looking for a better price. So that is why we are in a bearish move. So one more important thing, traders. Okay, so now as you can see here, okay, so sellers are sitting here. Okay, so sellers are sitting here. So supply level is here above. Okay, but now the problem is we don't have any supply levels here. Okay, so this is all internal. So once I'll show you. So we don't have important levels here. So now what market needs is market needs sellers so that market can continue. Okay, so now as you can see over here, I'll explain you. My bias today, gold break 5163 and may go near 5200, 5200. Okay, just a moment, I'll check, just a moment. All right, so okay, so what was I explaining you? Yep, okay. So as you can see, traders, gold first started quitting sellers here, so we got a breakout. Okay, but these sellers were not enough. Why it's happening? Because above, as you can see, we have aggressive sellers. Okay, so that's not easy. That's not easy to 3 trillion. I mean, that was a 3 trillion sell move. Okay, as I've already updated in our Telegram channel. So this was a 3 trillion sell move. So please confirm, traders, if my voice is loud and clear. Okay, so from here, as you can see, traders, again market created some sellers. Okay, again some sellers. So after these sellers, market gave us this move. Okay, so that's the logic here. Okay, that's the logic here. So as you can see, sellers started from here. Seller entry 1, seller entry 2, and then with their stop losses, the market was able to come here. Okay, traders, got it. So fight is difficult. So fight is difficult because as you can see, traders, here there are aggressive sellers. Okay, so the fight is difficult. So as you can see how the price is struggling, how the price is struggling to go up, failing, failing, failing again. So failing again and again, and finally the market has break past that same level. Okay, so now the market won't be going aggressively above. Okay, so market needs that amount of sellers. Okay, to so for what market will be doing is market will be creating sellers, so indicating that the market is continuing this trend. Okay, so that's the scenario, we must focus on. Okay, so now in the 4-hour time frame there is a lower low. Okay, so after this retracement, majority of people are thinking below. Okay, so if the market wants to go up, so the now market needs sellers. So now are there any sellers available in this range so market can hit their stop loss and go? No, there are no sellers available, so market now needs fresh sellers. Okay, so and it's aligned with our market structure, so that is why we are in sell move. Got it, traders? So make sure, traders, complete 20 likes. Let's go, traders. New viewers, welcome to our stream. I hope you're doing good. Any doubts, any queries, please let me know. Okay, so your bias is gold break 5163 and may go near 5200. Okay, 5163. Okay, let me see. Where is 5163? Okay, this high. Maybe this high. Okay. Okay, so your view is market will break this, retrace, and then again market will go until 5200. Okay, that's your view. Okay, good, good. But your view is good, but we are waiting for that retracement, brother. So when you will be buying over here, so still we have this higher high. Okay, so this high, sorry, still we have this high. So maybe market pokes this, grabs the liquidity, and then come downwards. So basically we are looking for a better price. Okay, that's our logic. So basically we are looking for a better price. So now gold is very premium zone, gold is in very premium zone. So I need a better price. Okay, I need a better price. So that's why we are waiting. So let's see if we can find anything else over here. So this is the gap up. So this is the gap up. Okay, also I have given you the 5-minute swing. Okay, so this is the 5-minute swing. So this 5-minute swing also has some levels, and if there is a bullish pressure on gold, so we have factory resets coming. Okay, so we have upcoming news event. So last time you saw the crash yourself. Okay, so that was a very huge crash. So that is why today you need to be careful. Okay, so my view is I'm looking for a better discounted price. Okay, so that is why I'm bearish. Otherwise my main view is bullish. This is also the retracement. Okay, and maybe the market wants to hunt these buyers. Okay, so that 70%, 78% optimal entry is also possible. Okay, so you keep that thing in mind. Understood, traders? Anyone else, please share your bias so others will also get help. Okay, traders. So I'll be ending this stream. So make sure you complete 20 likes. So after 20 likes, I'll be ending the stream. So tomorrow also pre US session will be covering, and from Wednesday onwards, I'm planning to start our stream from Asian and London session. Okay. So make sure you complete 20 likes. Let's go, Twitters. So market structure, understood everything. So we can use different things over here. So we can use 915 moving average. You can use 50 200 moving average. So once you know the exact swings, exact market structure, so then you can use other tools for extra confidence. Okay. So US session will be opening within 5 minutes. Let's go, traders. Make sure you smash that like button. Let's go. So help us reach out 20 likes. Let's go, traders. New viewers, please comment. What is your view? Are you a beginner, intermediate trader, or advanced pro trader? Please comment. So what we can do is we can check moving averages. Okay, so we can just check moving averages. So 50, 100 and 200. Okay, so we have three moving averages: green, blue and red. Okay, so red is 200, blue is 100 and green is 50. So you see traders on the 4 hour and 1 hour. So we have more room for that retracement. Okay, so as you can see in the 1 hour also we have more room for that retracement. And also you can see over here market pushed aggressively. Okay, so market didn't give us any retracement. Market pushed aggressively, breaking structures. Okay, so now you see buying from here directly, it's not a good idea. Okay, it's not a good idea. So you just wait for that retracement. Okay traders, so you just wait for that retracement and then you plan your buy entries. Your bias is absolutely right. Market is super bullish and you just need to wait for that retracement and then you can plan your buy entries. Maybe market is coming to hunt these stop losses. Okay, so there's always a probability. There's always a probability. So you need to follow probability. Okay, so now for you sell trade is profitable, beneficial. So again, if any sudden moves, I have already I've already gave you this 15 minutes range. Okay, so I already gave you this 15 minutes range. Okay, so when the market is aggressive sometimes, so what market can do is you can use a fib level here. So what market can do is after hunting this, okay, so capturing the gap. So this gap is available in the 15 minutes. Okay, so filling all the orders and then from 50% maybe 60% market starts moving bullish directly. Okay, breaking this structure. Okay, so that's a possibility, but we are interested in the 15-minute swing. Okay, so we are interested in the 15-minute swing, that is this swing. Okay, that is this swing. So we are expecting price to come down more. Okay, for that discounted price, and in the discounted price areas I'll be thinking of buys. Okay traders, so please let me know in the comment section if voice and everything is good. So voice loud and clear, please let me know. Let's go traders, let's go. We need to hit 20 likes. Help us reach 20 likes. Let's go traders, let's go. Okay, so all the probabilities I've explained you. Okay, so now here as you can see this is the liquidity and support as well. Okay, So this is a kind of liquidity and support as well. Okay. Okay. And this is the resistance. Okay, so where the sellers are involved. So this way you can simply trade when you know the whole context, so you can easily trade like this. Okay, but only when you know the context. Okay, traders, or else you will make losses. Okay, so this is a basic price action. So what is market doing as of now? So market is in between this range. Okay, so respecting this level, okay, so we are expecting for this liquidity hunt first. Okay, and then a retracement. Also we are hoping for a candle close below this level. Okay, so we are hoping for a candle close below this level, so then only will be more confirmed. Okay, so after the liquidity grab as well as the candle close, we are hoping for a retracement and then a continuation towards downtrend. Okay, so our expectations are until here. Okay, minimum 50% range, and then towards these extreme demand levels, also the liquidity levels. Okay, so demand levels plus liquidity levels. So every demand, every supply is a liquidity level. Okay, so if you are a beginner, so you just understand. So every level of supply, every level of demand is a liquidity. Like here there are sellers involved, so this becomes a supply, so liquidity. Okay, so here sellers are involved, so this becomes a supply, so there's liquidity. Okay guys, so please understand this. Okay, so market works on liquidity. All right traders, so US market is already open. Okay, so let's see what we can do in US market. So do we have any trend lines? Let's have a look if we have any trend lines or something like that. So we have a trend like this, but this is not correct. Okay, so that will be wrong. Okay, so we can draw a trend line from below. Okay, so what we can do is we can connect a trend line from below and use it as a confluence. Okay, so trend lines and everything are just for extra confluence. Our main basic concept is market structure. Okay, market structure, supply demand. Okay traders, so as you can see we are following this trend line. Okay, so 1 2 taps done, and yeah, we are waiting for that fourth tap maybe, but as of now market is bullish. Okay, so in the upcoming future we'll be just following this trend line as an extra confluence. Okay, can you explain the fib level you showed? Okay, okay brother, okay, I'll explain you bro. Okay, you might be talking about this fib levels, these two fib levels, maybe this 5-minute fib level and maybe this 15-minute fib level. Okay, so I'll explain you both. What I'll do is I'll off this as of now. Okay brother, so as you can see this is the 5-minute swing. Okay, so which gave us this break of structure, and before that we were in a downtrend. Okay, we were in a downtrend, and this is the swing. Okay, this is the swing which gave us this break of structure in the 15 minutes. Okay brother, so basically we are following this 15-minute swing. Okay, so this is the swing. I'll explain you both, don't worry. So this is the swing, so where I have marked the 50% basic, and this is the 70% and 80%, I mean 78%. Okay, optimal entry zone. Okay, so this is what I have marked, and in the 5 minutes time frame, so as you can see this is the swing. Okay, so this is the swing. So what you can do is you can grab your fib and you can draw it like this. Okay, and this is the liquidity level. Okay, and also we have a gap here. Okay, which is created today itself. So maybe there's a possibility when there is a bullish pressure, there is a sudden bullish pressure. Okay, so market doesn't have the time to really come down deep. Okay, following the proper market structure. But market is bullish, so what market can do is market can hit some of these levels. Okay, so there's always a probability hitting some of these levels, and then maybe hitting the 50%, and then maybe going bust upside. Okay, or else market can only hit this level, clearing this liquidity and filling this gap. Okay, so hitting 50% and market can go up. But my main view is respecting the 50% level. Okay, so I'm waiting for the 15 minutes. Sorry, I'm waiting for the 15 minutes level. Okay, traders, I'm waiting for this level. So this is internal, traders, this is internal. So this will happen when there is a lot of pressure. There is a lot of pressure on gold. That I mean bullish pressure on gold. Okay, but you don't plan any buy entries in this range. Okay, so this is a super premium range. If you are doing scalping on your strategy basis, okay, so it's good. So only do scalping. If you are entering buy, so only do scalping. So Justin, I hope you got it, bro. If you have any other query, please feel free to ask. Okay, so this is what's happening. So above, let's check out over here. So this is what's happening, traders. This is simple resistance. Okay, this is simple support, and this is the gap on 15 minutes. So let's see, market always has that possibility. Market is very cunning. So market, if market also wants to continue below, so market can hit the liquidity and then continue. Okay, so already US session is open, and a very important news event, as you can see, factory orders. Okay, so this is 8:30 p.m. So now it's 7:37. So almost like 50 minutes to go. Okay, so be careful of this news. So last month 29 Jan, so that crash was that crash took place, okay, in the same news event. So this was the same news event. Okay, 29th January, as you can see. This is Bitcoin. Okay. This is Bitcoin. Okay, so January, as you can see, traders, where is 29th January? Let me. Okay, so here, as you can see, traders, this is 29th January. Okay, so this was the move. I mean, this was the move, and this was continuation. Okay, so I'm not telling you today also we are expecting that much bigger move, but we always need to be careful. Okay, let's go, traders. Let's complete 20 likes. Let's go, traders. It's just 20 likes. So new viewers, smash that like button. Let's go. So what is your view? Please let me know. So what is your bias? Please let me know. We are working as a community, so our community will get a lot of help if you are sharing your views. Okay, so BTC, I was explaining you, traders, this is a very beautiful opportunity for investments. Okay, so you start earning money from gold and you start investing money into BTC, crypto. Okay, so you see, traders, by upcoming 2030, so you'll be super rich. Okay, so if you work hard today, then within 2 3 years, 4 years, your future is absolutely bright, bro. Any queries, any doubts? Let's go, traders. I'll be ending this stream. Okay, so within some time I'll be ending this stream. So I have explained you each and everything. Okay, so before ending this stream, if anyone has any doubts and queries, you can ask, bro. Feel free to ask. Okay, any doubts, any queries, feel free to ask. Let's go. Share your bias. Let's go. So let's have a look at dollar index. What's up with the dollar index? Okay, as you can see, today's dollar index is currently in this supply zone. Okay, so this is the supply zone. So dollar index is currently in this supply zone. Okay, so if this supply zone is continuing, okay, so we can see some bullish move in gold. But if we are getting a breakout, so then we can see some retracement in gold. Okay, so we can expect some retracement in gold, pushing gold prices lower. Okay, so all right, so as you can see, this hole itself is the supply area. Okay, so from this candle, okay, that is why market is respecting this range. Okay, so I'll draw it for you. So this whole area itself is a supply area. Okay, so today we are expecting a sell move, so this is an extra confluence for us. So same way we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Okay, in the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we have supply from this level. Okay, so we have FVGs, from this level. Okay, so as of now we are about to fill this FVG. So these are some extra confluences for you. Okay, so if we see this from the smaller perspective, then yeah, market is on its supply zone. Okay, so what market can do is market can take out these sellers and then continue. Okay, so as you can see, market is still building those buyers. Okay, so sellers and buyers both are invited now. Okay, so as you can see, traders, here buyers are also invited. Okay, in the London session, in the Asian session, sellers are already there. Okay, so this is the seller zone and this is the buyer zone. Okay, so maybe there is a probability that these, after the liquidity hunt of these sellers, then the market might continue hunting this and continuing below. Okay, that's what we are expecting. So rest, if you have any ideas, please share with our community. Okay, so I'll be back within 2 minutes. Any doubts, any queries? Let's go traders. Please comment. If you are finding a reliable broker, if you are looking for a reliable broker, so links are in the description. Okay, traders. So make sure you join under our partnership and you can show support. Okay, still in this range. So market is still in this range. Okay. So this is a very premium level. Okay, traders. So after breaking this, market moving upside, very low probability. Okay, because this is a very premium zone. So as you can see, market came down from a long way. So as you can see, this is the whole buying, this is the whole after touching that trend line. So this is the second touch that gave us this move. So basically this is premium price. Okay. So this is a premium price. That's why we are hesitating buying here. So we need some discount price. Okay, traders. So can I end this stream? Okay, are we done? Come on, traders. We are going to end this stream. Okay. So within few minutes we are going to end this stream. So please let me know if you have any doubts, any queries. Okay, after this liquidity grab, there's a possibility market can fall. Okay, so you be careful with your buy entries. Okay, traders. So please be careful with your buy entries. Market is on a premium zone. Okay, so you must always prefer buying in the discount zones. Okay, traders. So today or tomorrow, market will fall. Okay, just to retrace, just to retrace, just to retrace 50%, 60%. Okay, or else if we are hunting this liquidity, then 70-80% optimal entry zone is possible. Okay, this is a very premium zone, so you better plan your entries, buy entries. Okay, so very risky. And definitely there's a possibility after this breakout market can go up, but you see market doesn't have that sellers to continue. Any doubts, any queries? Anyone wants to share their bias? Let's go traders. Anyone wants to share their ideas? Please feel free to comment. Who all are trading on funded account? Anyone who is trading personal accounts? You need any help with risk management or anything like that? Okay, so please feel free to ask. So tomorrow I will cover. This is a continuation of the bias. Okay, so this is a continuation of the bias. So as you can see, okay, obviously that's pretty obvious that after a beautiful up move, okay, after a beautiful up move, so everyone market structure is bullish. Okay, everyone's market structure is bullish, so that is why the price is pushing, the price is pushing. Okay, but at some point market needs a retracement. Okay, at some point market needs a retracement, so we are waiting for that retracement. Okay, new viewers, make sure you smash that like button. Let's go, let's complete 20 likes. So today this is the only price action. Okay, so this is the only price action, so sellers and buyers. Okay, so both side players are involved, and currently the buyers are going to take over the sellers. Okay, I mean hunt their stop loss. So after hunting the stop loss, if you see rejections, okay, if you see rejections, then you can plan your sell entries. After a breakout, if you see a big bullish candle closing above, then you wait. Okay, then you wait, because you see traders on the 4-hour time frame, over here we have this sell move. Okay, so we have this sell move. Let me show you. So those who are watching from beginning, so they'll not be get confused. Okay, so this is our level and this is also our weekly high. Okay, so daily weekly we took that resistance and we are going up, but 4 hour we have this lower low. Okay, so when we mark the Fibonacci here like this, okay, so you can see traders, we were first respecting the 60% level. Okay, so above we have the 70-80% level. Okay, until unless we don't break this swing will be valid. Okay, so this swing will be valid. Now let's see. At least we need 50% retracement. Okay, so then only that swing will be healthy, or else market has possibilities that the market could fall from that 70-78% optimal zone. Okay, before testing the all-time high. So that is again a possibility. Okay, I'll wait 5 to 10 minutes more and then I'll be packing. Okay, I'll be ending this stream. So tomorrow same timing. So pre-US session will be live. Okay, so now we don't want to miss a single day. Also Saturday, Sunday we are planning to cover Bitcoin. Okay, traders. So make sure you stay connected with me on Telegram. So link is in the description. Okay, this is also major liquidity. Okay, so you make sure you mark this. This is also major liquidity, as you can see. Okay, so after this breakout, I mean after this breakout, retracement, and then there are buyers involved. Okay, then there are buyers involved. Okay, traders, so you be careful with your buying in this range after this breakout. Okay, so reversal chance is possible. Okay, traders, so below we have a lot of liquidity left, and also market needs new sell side liquidity for buying. Okay, so that is our logic, that is our context, and we are going to follow the same. Okay, so if you are confused, if you don't understand anything, so make sure you quit today. Okay, so there's always tomorrow. Okay, Twitter, so I'll be ending this stream within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, Who's watching traders? Will be ending this stream within 5 to 10 minutes. Any queries, any questions? Please feel free to ask. Let's see if this is a liquidity hunt or the trend will continue. So in the 1 minute time frame, you can definitely follow the structure. Okay. So after this breakout, okay, after this liquidation, okay, so we have liquidity over here. Okay. So this is our liquidity. So what you can do is after hitting this liquidity, you're waiting for a fractal change of character. Okay. In the 1 minute fractal change of character. So after the continuation, okay, after the continuation, you can plan your entry. Let's see traders. Let's see. Any doubts, any queries? Anyone watching? Anyone watching? So we'll be ending this stream within 5 minutes. I'm just waiting for this liquidity grab. I'm just waiting for this liquidity grab and then we'll be ending this stream. Okay. Let's see if this is a liquidity grab or this is a continuation after this breakout. So we are just waiting for this level. Okay, so let's see, this is a liquidity grab or this is a continuation. Okay, so as per our analysis, this must be a liquidity grab. Okay, because we are waiting for a better price, discounted price. Okay, okay, so you can follow this trend in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, traders, just check out 1 minute time frame. So after the breakout, I mean after the liquidation, okay, so after this liquidation we are making lower low or we are making higher high. Okay, so you can see liquidity grab done. Okay, so liquidity hunted. Okay, so if you took some buy opportunity over here, congratulations. So you book your profits. Okay, so don't believe this trend. So this might be a fake trend. So don't blindly believe this trend. Okay, so market is on its premium level. Okay, traders. And also we have upcoming news event, that is the factory orders. Okay, so previous news, as you can see, traders, on 29th January we got that crash. Okay, in this same news. So today also you be careful, traders. Okay, so don't blow your accounts. Okay, so always be careful. So funds protection is our first priority. Okay, capital protection is our first priority. So don't be greedy, take your time and trade with risk management. Okay, only trade your plans according to risk management. Okay, so whatever your plan, trade accordingly. Don't try to over risk. Don't try to risk your whole capital in just one trade. Okay, so as you can see, traders, this retracement is not enough. Okay, for us, this prior retracement, as you can see, traders, in the buy trend. Okay, so as you can see, these were the beautiful retracement. Okay, some 38 levels, some 50% levels. Okay, so this is a retracement. So here, as you can see, we don't have any retracement. Okay, so only the market moved in one side direction. Okay, traders, so rest sellers over here, as you can see, we have these sellers. Okay, so we have these sellers, that is 5430. Okay, we have these sellers. So here, as you can see, we have some supply from this level. Okay, so we have some supply from this level over here, and we have a breakout supply from this level. So support, and after this breakout, continuation. Okay, so that was the same level that we respected. Okay, as you can see at the beginning, so that was the same level. So now, as you can see, after some rejection, we break past these levels. Okay, so we break past these levels and now we are making new bullish moves. Okay, all right, traders, so as you can see, closing is above. So if you are in a buy trade, so you can book your profits. Okay, so don't expect any big moves. Okay, traders, so within 20 minutes we have news event, which is factory orders. So anything can happen. Okay, we are waiting for that retracement, that's it. Okay, traders, our view is bullish, but we are waiting for that retracement. So this is the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so what you can do is you can follow swings over here. Okay, so first we need a break of structure. Okay, so first at least we need a break of structure below this. Okay, then after retracement then you can plan your entries. Okay traders, so don't blindly enter. So for buying also, as you can see traders, this is the whole demand level. Okay, whole demand level. So if you are planning buying entries, so at least you wait for some retracement. Okay, so at least you wait for some retracement and then you can plan your buy entries, but most probably focus on selling. So if you are in buy trend, so you can book your profits. Okay traders, retracement will definitely take place. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna move our we're gonna move this level like this. Okay, so this is our whole trend. Okay traders, so this is our whole trend. So as you can see, this was the last break of structure. Okay, so this was the last break of structure and now we are following this swing. So this was the break of structure. Okay, so retracement is possible. So maybe today, tomorrow, we will definitely get that retracement. Okay, traders. So now buying is on the premium level. So make sure you you be aware of this. Okay, so buying is on the premium level. Let's see this 15-minute candle sustains above this level. So the next candle will retrace. Okay, so let's see if it's a retracement or it's a liquidity grab. So price is sustaining above this level. Okay, so let's see. Market is making higher high. Your direction is absolutely correct. Okay, market is super bullish, but we are just waiting for that retracement so we can get a better discounted price and then we can get involved in buying. Let's see traders. So within 5 minutes I'll be ending this stream, so let's see the next candle what happens. Okay traders, I'll wait 15 minutes. Okay, so I'll wait for one more candle and we will check out this news. Okay, factory orders, and then I will end this stream. Okay, okay, candle is already over. Okay, okay. Market is pushing. Okay, so if you are into buy side position, so you can always book your profits. Okay traders, book your profits. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Good prediction. This way you can help our community, bro. So this is demand from the previous swings. Okay. So this is the demand from the previous swings. So as you can see over here, we have drop, base, drop. Okay. So this is an important level. So we can draw this level definitely. We have a drop, base, drop, and already that is filled. Okay. That supply is filled. Okay. And another supply is over here, so we will mark this too. So let's check out these supplies, what's happening with these supplies. Okay, finally. Okay traders, so we have supply above. Okay, so we have two supply levels. So this level is drop, base, drop, and this is the main supply level. Okay, still we are expecting some bearish moves. Okay, because I don't want to buy on this high price. Okay, so whenever market will be making lower low, then I would love to get involved in sell side. Okay traders, so now buying is risky, so those who are involved in buying, so make sure you keep booking profits. Okay, so you always keep booking partially, don't miss. Okay traders, so in the 1 hour time frame also, as you can see traders, this is the proper supply level over here. Okay, so this is the proper supply level, and next supply level we have here. Okay, and this is our all-time high. So this is the supply level. So as you can see over here, we tapped into that supply level now. Okay, don't get involved in your positions, don't execute your positions blindly. Okay, first follow the structure, so with in 1 minute I already told you traders, first let market break some structures, okay, to the downside, and then after the retracement, then you can plan involved, I mean you can get involved in these regions. Okay, retracement regions, targeting this low. Okay, targeting this lower high. See, market is creating upside. Okay, so that way we need some confirmation below. Okay traders, so basically this was a 1 hour supply level. Okay, that the market has touched the 1 hour supply level. So still this buy was a good move. Okay, so this buy move was very pretty good move. So from 140 to 190, almost 500 pips. So congratulations to all of those who have booked profits. I am expecting you that you must at least you must have caught 200 pips. Okay, minimum 100 200 pips. Okay traders, so now this is the supply level, so now we are expecting price to retrace back. Okay, so at least this retracement is possible. Okay, this breakout. So if market wants to continue, market can continue from here, but again that could be a trap. Okay traders, that could be a trap. So next supply level we have over here. Okay, so maybe the market wants to liquidate this. Okay, so maybe the market wants to liquidate this. Let's mark this. So there's always probability. Okay, so this is the liquidity level 241. Okay, so basically what you can do is, if we are holding this level, so then only you can get involved in sell positions. Okay, or else if you are making some price action, sell side price action, then you can get involved in this position. Okay, but retracement is possible. Okay, as per the market structure. So this is our structure, 15 minutes, and we are hoping for a retracement at least 50%. Also this is a round number, so as you can see 5200, this is a round number, and the next round number is 5300. Okay, so this is a very crucial level. Also this is a 1 hour supply. Okay, pure supply zone. So as you can see, in the past this supply zone made a very beautiful move. Okay, so as you can see, so this supply made a beautiful move. So this is a power move. Okay, so there are a lot of sellers involved here, so breaking this level will not be easy. Okay, so this level we need a lot of buyers, a lot of energy breaking this level. Okay, so you don't expect big profits. Okay, so you might get trapped. So you start booking your profits. Okay, partially you start booking your profits step by step. Let's see traders. So after this candle I'll be ending this stream. Okay, so let's see what happens. We are looking for a rejection. I'll be back. Okay traders, so we see some reaction. Okay, so we need some reaction from that level. Okay, so breaking structure below, and then after the retracement, then only you can try to get involved. Okay, very crucial level. So this is nothing but this is simply a 1 hour level. Okay, this is just a supply level. So as you can see over here, simple supply level. Okay, and the next supply level will be this one. Okay, so next supply level is near around 5400, and this is 5200, and then we have that 200 pips, I mean 2000 pips gap. Okay, so we have that 2000 pips gap in here. So this level will not be broken easily. But market is showing no rejection over here. Okay, so market is showing no rejection in this zone. So let's see. Okay, so our main view is still retracement move. So we are still waiting for that retracement, clearing some buyers below, clearing some buyers below. So what we can do is we can consider this. Okay, so as you can see, this retracement is of almost 500 pips. Okay, so that's a considerable retracement. So here, as you can see, this was 700 pips. Okay, so no problem, 500 700 pips. So we can consider this as our new swing. Okay, so I'll show you exactly how you can trade. Okay, so this is our new swing. Okay, traders. All right, so this is our new swing. So what market can do is market can create some more bearish moves and then try to come down. Okay, so that retracement will be of this swing retracement. Okay, that retracement will be of this swing retracement. And let's check this retracement. So as you can see, traders, almost near around this level. Okay, 38%. So this indicates that this swing will not be much powerful. Okay, so this swing will not be much powerful because as you can see, we didn't got the enough retracement. If this retracement would have been 50%, 60% or optimal price entry, then we would have been, made a much bigger move. I mean, I'm talking about this move. Okay, so this is a tiny move. So this is just a tiny move. Okay, so again we can start retracement from here, or else we can go much higher and then we can retrace. Okay, so now we already break past the structure. Okay, so this structure is valid now. Okay, traders, so this structure is valid. As of now, this structure is valid with its liquidity. Okay, so market has that probability. So our new structure is this one. Okay, so this is our new structure. So this is our new structure. After coming a little bit down, so market can invite more buyers. Okay, respecting the 50%. And as you can see, this was a resistance level. So after resistance, this become a breakout. So buy zone. Okay, so after retracement, so market can push aggressively from here, inviting more buyers. Okay, inviting more buyers because you see there's a trend line formed, short trend line like this. Okay, so inviting more buyers, and then the market altogether can break those players. Okay, so this is the scenario. And also this is a 1 hour supply level. Okay, so this is a simple supply level, and also this is a round number 5200. Okay, traders, understood? Okay, so it's almost done 8:30, so I'll be ending this stream now. So any doubts, any queries, please comment. Any doubts, any queries? So supply demand levels we didn't covered. Okay, so today first stream, so tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards, we will cover supply demand levels also. Okay, any doubts, any queries? So we will be ending this stream. So thank you all of you for joining in. Okay, so you wait for that fractal structure. Okay, so you wait for that fractal structure. We need the breakout. Okay, so we need breakout below, a retracement, and then continuation. Okay, so I told you each and everything. So this is the 15 minutes here. Okay, and in the market structure, so as you can see, this is our new swing. Okay, so now this low is confirmed. Okay, so after breaking this high, this low is confirmed. Okay, but this high is not confirmed yet. Okay traders, this high is not confirmed yet. What market can do is, market can again liquidate these early sellers, so we can enter short. Yes bro, yes bro. Now directly don't enter into short positions. So first let market make some market structure. Okay, so let's market create some market structure, and then only you can enter. Okay, entry logic, I hope, I think you're late, so you can just replay and watch our stream from the beginning. Okay, so these are the market structure levels. So now currently we are in, also we can update this. Okay, so this also will update like this, because this whole itself is a 15-minute swing. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, so now as you can see, for the new viewers, we are working in this swing. Okay, so first we were making lower low. Okay, so here you can see lower low, lower low. So after breaking this, so we got a break of structure above, and we are just waiting for discounted price. That's it, nothing else. We are just waiting for discounted price. That is why we are in sell side. Okay, rest our bias is bullish. Our bias is super bullish. Okay, so short entries are possible. So what you can do is, you can follow some indicators like moving averages, 915 EMA, exponential moving averages. Okay, something like that, and you can plan your entries. So first wait for a breakout below. Okay, so first wait for a major swing takeout in the fractal. I'm talking in the fractal. Okay, 1 minute time frame. So let market create some lower low. So after that you can think of getting involved. Okay, always plan your entries on bigger time frames. Okay, or else you will get trapped. Okay, so this is a 1 hour supply level. Market is respecting that level, and yes, we are waiting for that retracement. Okay, so again here also I told you traders, this is a breakout level. Okay, so here also as you can see retracement. So here also retracement. Okay, so after breaking this, so this level becomes support. Okay, so once again I'll draw. So this level becomes support. Okay, this is already broken. So we have two demand levels. So what market can do is, market can come down and create some buyers. Okay, so that will be a call to enter buy position. Okay, so if you want to enter buy position, then it's up to you, but I am waiting for a retracement below, and at the discounted price I am planning to buy. Okay, so now I don't want to get involved in buy positions. I already told you to exit your positions over here. Okay, so here itself I told you to exit your positions, so don't hold your buy position. So now market is inviting more buyers. Let's see traders what happens, but our view is same. We are not going to change our view. So if there is any problem with market structure, so tomorrow we'll come to know. Okay, so until now everything is good. So market created a new swing high, and now we are simply waiting for that retracement. Okay, retracement into the discount levels, and then we will be planning to buy from here. Okay, very very simple analysis. So now you will be following this swing. Okay, this swing. So as you can see here also we have that breakout level that I have explained you. So this is the same level. So market will be creating some new buyers here. Okay, then again the market suddenly could fall. Okay traders, so these are the scenarios. I hope you got each and everything. So first let market create swings. Okay, then only you think of entering. Come on traders, those who haven't liked, make sure you smash that like button. Let's go traders, let's go. Those who haven't liked our video, so make sure you smash that like button. So we are ending this stream, okay? So be careful traders, be careful. So tomorrow I'll catch you in the pre-US session, same timing, okay? So I will update you on my Telegram channel. So link is in the description. So make sure you join Telegram channel, okay? It's very important traders. Okay traders, I'll catch you tomorrow. So I'm ending this stream, okay? So till then, peace out traders. Thank you for joining in. I'll catch you tomorrow.